If you've started making your first $500 or $1,000 a month with AI, congratulations. But you've probably realized a major problem: doing everything manually doesn't scale. You are stuck in a time for money trap. In this advanced training on how to pick the best AI video business model, I'm going to show you exactly how to build systems and automations that break that ceiling, allowing you to scale to $5,000 or $10,000 a month without working 80-hour weeks. Let's build your system. To scale, you need an advanced tool stack. We're moving beyond basic ChatGPT. You need Make.com or Zapier at $20 a month to connect your apps and automate data transfer. You need a CRM like Go High Level or System.io at $97 a month to manage clients and sales funnels. You'll use Airtable or Notion to build your operations hub. Finally, you'll start using AI APIs directly for bulk processing. Yes, this costs more upfront, but it saves you over 20 hours a week, time you can spend closing more deals. Here is the exact automation workflow you need to build in Make.com. The trigger is a new lead form submission or a paid order. Action 1: the data is automatically sent to the OpenAI API. Action 2: the AI generates the custom asset based on your master prompt. Action 3: the output is formatted and saved to a Google Drive folder. Action 4: an automated email is sent to the client with the link. Once this is set up, fulfillment becomes 100% hands-off. Even with automation, you need human oversight. It's time to remove yourself as the bottleneck. Hire a virtual assistant from the Philippines or Latin America for $4 to $7 an hour. Their job is not to do the heavy lifting, the AI does that. Their job is quality control on the AI outputs, managing your lead generation campaigns, and handling customer support. The golden rule here is, never outsource a task until you have a documented standard operating procedure, or SOP, for it. To scale rapidly, you must change your pricing model. Stop selling one-off projects for $300. To hit $10,000 a month, you'd need 33 new clients every single month. That's exhausting. Instead, package your AI service into a $1,500 monthly retainer. Now you only need 7 clients to hit your goal. The offer is simple: you provide monthly AI-generated content or assets, plus a 30-minute strategy call. The perceived value is huge, but your automated systems do 90% of the work. You can't rely on referrals to scale. You need automated lead generation. Use a tool like Apollo.io to scrape highly targeted leads. Clean that list with Never Bounce to protect your email domain. Then, use Instantly.ai or Lemlist to send automated cold email sequences. Let's look at the math. If you send 1,000 emails a week and book meetings at just a 1% rate, that's 10 sales calls. Close 20% of those, and you have 2 new high-ticket clients every week. The math never fails. Here is your 90-day scaling roadmap. Month 1 is entirely focused on systems. Document your SOPs and build your Make.com automations so fulfillment is handled. Month 2 is about acquisition. Launch your cold email campaigns and start pitching your $1,500 monthly retainers. Month 3 is delegation. Hire your virtual assistant to manage the inbox and oversee the AI outputs. By the end of month 3, your only job should be taking sales calls and refining the strategy. Scaling requires immediate action. Right now, open a Google Doc and write down every single step of your current manual process. This week, take that document and build your first automation in Make or Zapier to replace the most time-consuming step. Also this week, rewrite your offer as a high-ticket monthly retainer. Next week, launch your automated lead generation system. The blueprint is in front of you. Build the system and scale your income.